Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and we are encapsulation experts that focus on crawl space encapsulation as well as attic encapsulation. We also make a ton of educational videos because we know there's people out there just like you that are looking to educate themselves about the processes of crawl space encapsulation and attic encapsulation. So keep in mind, we release 2 videos a week, so make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay informed on all the latest information about crawl space and attic products and services that we offer. Thanks for watching.